Alrighty guys, yo, your boy is happy. I am tickled to death, guys. Y'all remember yesterday, it was like 5 o'clock. You know, we closed at 6. I was contemplating pushing this outside because I need my stall. Well, guess what? I'm glad we ran out of time and I didn't have time to push it out, because guess what? Ta-da! That's right, guys. I got all my rock-ons, my lifters, and my camshaft over there. So yes, so your boy is tickled to death. So I'm gonna easily knock this out. I have this knocked out quicker than I would have been able to push it out. All right, that's just how fast I am on these. All right, like I say, the camshaft on the way. Let's take a look at this camshaft. It's just a little scratch, guys. I don't care about that because yeah, see that this is actually reusable. It just scratched on the edge, but extended warranty company, they get new parts. All right, well, let me tell you something else. All right, another reason why your boy happy. Y'all see that? Yeah, they just assigned your boy another helper. Okay, now y'all remember yesterday I was complaining about their transmission only paid 6.2 hours and this is BS, this is crap. I was really in the office fussing with the manager. Look, man, I need a raise or something. You know, you can compensate when a mechanic hourly rate is up to par. The amount of hours that he get don't really matter. Okay, so instead of giving your boy a raise, he chose to give your boy a helper. All right, so 6.4 hour transmission overhaul is not gonna cut it for me. All right, we can now. I got a helper and he can you know, get it out, we can set it on the table, then I can repair from there. So yes, your boy's freaking happy as hell. Now here's one problem. Okay, see, I let whoever I'm working with, whoever working with me, I let them put the vehicle on the lift because it's their life on the line and they need to understand how important that is. But here's one problem I have with my new helper. What I have with all helpers, they don't understand the importance of life. Not life, light. Okay, yeah, so he over there with his cell phone, the light part on his cell phone. No, buddy. We can't have that over here. All right, so y'all know what I'm about to do? In fact, where my keys at? Y'all want to go with me? Because I'm about, man, yeah. I'll be back, bro. Y'all know where I'm headed. The same thing, I don't know if y'all caught that last video when I had to go get my buddy. Well, no sense talking about it. I'm going to show y'all about it here in a minute. That's what kind of guy I am. Where's my car at? We finna take a trip up the street. Y'all know what I'm about to do? That's right, guys. I don't play that, man. I'm getting my man. I ain't gonna even say it till I get there, but I'm about to head up the street to do my good gesture. Again, I'm happy. I'm tickled to death. I got me a freaking a helper slash trainee. He wanna be a mechanic when he grew up. Y'all know what happened to the other helper I had. He went on to he doing his thing. He a commissioned mechanic now. Okay, yeah, from time to time I still got to go over there and show him some things, but yeah, I'm proud of the amount of knowledge he got from me. All right, here's a funny thing about young dudes. All of them. Okay, this must be a young thing. All right, because check this out. Young dudes, they got a habit of always wanting rap music around them. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Every time, all day, every day, they need some form of beats and raps playing on their bodies. So the thing is, like, he'll have his phone in his pocket with rap beats playing. I wonder was I like that, because I got in pretty young too. I got in the game, but I don't think I had to have the rap music on me at all times. Like, you don't want to miss nothing. You don't want to miss nothing. I mean, you can hear that song later on in the day, but when they working, they just gotta turn on some some loud rap music. I ain't got no problem with that, especially if you working. If it helps you work smoothly, go for it. It's my thing, but if it hinders your working or your performance, I'm against it. So if he over there bobbing his head, got a smile on his face and doing what he's supposed to do, I'm cool with that. In fact, I don't even like it real loud. I would put up with it. I would deal with it if like I say, that makes him work smoother, make his day go by a whole lot better. So from what I can gather, he's gonna make a good all-around guy. Again, we had a talk before. This is what he wants to do. He have a passion for working on cars. He used to work on diesel trucks. So coming from that world to this world should be an easy transition. And I'm excited, okay? Finally, I got some spark in my life coming back and forth from work. Because it hurted me when they took my other helper away. As much, we got so used to each other. We got so acquainted with each other from a personal standpoint. You know, I call him up. What you doing, man? How you doing? Try to keep him out of trouble. All that good stuff. And then one day they just snatched him away from me. Boy, that hurt it. So what I'm about to do, guys, I can't go ahead and buy him no big speakers because I don't want to hear it that loud. Okay, it's your little pocket. You're going to run your battery down, though, using your phone. But what I can't have, okay, no guy's going to be working with me holding a damn cell phone, using a cell phone as a light source. All right, no. Now, I got 3 of these headlights myself, all right, but yeah, I've already warned him, so I'm going to go get him his own. Welcome to Lowe's, y'all. Let's get it, man. It's been a while since I've been in Lowe's. Yeah, I go to these Lowe's fake ass craftsmen. Might as well go to. I don't want to dog them out while I'm in their store, but yeah, I'm not impressed. All right, I like the Sears craftsmen. Yeah, I can't. There's still lifetime warranty. It's just the quality has been diminished. Now I didn't come in here for that. What I came in here for is those damn what he hiding them at? Well, yeah, my helper gonna be on point. Okay, we're gonna shock the world with these numbers we about to produce. Is they over here? Yeah. All right, guys. I need one with that's cordless, batteryless, and all kinds of less. Ooh, did they go up? That's the one I got 3 of these, but I bought them like 6 a year ago. Damn, they was only $24. Whoa, wait a minute. Yeah, guys, it's for a good cause. I'm gonna whip out the old online mechanic tip credit card. How's this one? I'm talking about USB charging. Now it has to be rechargeable. Yes, this one right here, $20. See, these you can go either way, battery or. Why is this 2 different numbers on here? 365. All right, I gotta do some price check because the more lumens, the better, right? Is that how that works? Right. The Cobalt will give you different options. You can use batteries or, but like I said, it looked like they went up in price. All right, so guys, after further consideration, we're gonna go with this one. It don't cost that much, lifetime warranty, and it's rechargeable. Okay, nobody wants to deal with batteries all day long. All right, yeah, I can do that for my new helper. Like I say, I see bigger and better things in the horizon. All right, let me get out of here. I done snuck away from work. Cobalt making a huge, look at Cobalt got a whole complete lineup over here, guys. Now, I'm a Milwaukee guy myself from an electrics tool standpoint. Yeah, so I ain't ready to switch over. If Milwaukee had lights, I probably would get theirs, but I think all Milwaukee stuff is at Home Depot. They got that license. See, Lowe's got the Craftsman. Lowe's got everything else except Milwaukee. Yeah, they got the Craftsman license, but Craftsman is garbage now. You know, this is all my opinion. So I think there's some more options over here. Do Craftsman sell lights? Oh, I'm done, guys. I can't leave him too long. I don't know his get out of a jam technique yet. Okay, so let me get out of here, man. Let's go. It's funny how these little $20 lights always want to sell you a plan. I would lose this damn thing before I, you know what I'm saying? Does the plan cover a loss? Because I would lose it first. All right, guys. Let me go. All right, you too. Let's go make this thing happen, man. If I can knock out about 3-4 jobs today, I will be freaking happy. Appreciate the Lowe's right up the street, so it's gonna take no time for me to come up here, run up here and knock this out. And again, it's for a good call. All right, let's get back to the shop, guys. All right, I'm back at the shop. He was here. I left him doing that radiator here, so let me take this to him and let's get popping, man. Yeah. He went and got the AC machine. I don't think you have to take the condenser off to replace this. Let's find out. What's up for?
For the condenser, so you can pull out the freon.
No, I don't think you gotta drain it.
I'll say,
No.
just
Yeah, well, I mean, it's cool. Yeah, I don't think you just gotta separate it off the radiator.
okay.
I don't think you gotta drain it. Once you get this boat over here, boom.
What's this?
A light,
Oh.
man. I'm tired of you and that damn cell phone. Nah, I can't have that over here, man. You'll charge that sucker up at night and you good to go. Well, I don't think you need that though. Yeah. Yeah. Feel so much better, guys. Alright, now I got a lot of work to do. Alright, that's my good deed for the whole entire freaking week. The whole damn week. Alright, it's your boy JT the Car Guy. Signing off. No, he look. Yeah, he ready now, boy. I gotta go, guys.